Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to show you how I took one of these canvases from Crafter Square from the Dollar Tree. There's 2 in a pack, and I believe this is maybe 5x7. I have some apple barrel black paint, sponge brush, regular brush, and some Modge Podge. And I picked up this greeting card from Dollar Tree. It looked like the old vintage type, and I have some scissors. So let's get started and I'll show you what I did with this. Okay, so the first thing I did was paint the edges of the canvas, just so no white parts show up after I put down the card. I was having a little trouble here getting paint. Okay, so we're getting it on just the edges as I mentioned. Hope everybody's doing well. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Around the House with Cheryl, and I show you how to do things to make your home beautiful inside and out. And if that's what you're into, I hope you stick around and watch some of my other videos, things that I do around my home. So after you get this black paint on all the edges, just be sure that it's completely dry before you put on the greeting card. So we're about done here. Okay. Okay, so now you see I'm just making sure that the card fits and that I do have enough black paint on it. So I'm going to put some Modge Podge on the back of the card. It did get a little bent on one edge, as you can see, before I had an opportunity to cut it out. So I'm going to put some Modge Podge. Also, thought I was going to put it on the back of the card, but I decided to put it on the back of the canvas first instead. And I'm using, oh no, I guess I did change my mind again. I'm putting it on the back of the card with a sponge brush. Otherwise, I'd be here all day trying to put it on with the smaller brush. Okay, so we got that on. And then I'm going to take it and place it onto the canvas and make sure it's straight and everything. And make sure I have a good amount on the back so it doesn't pop off later or bubble up. And you can find Modge Podge at the Dollar Tree. It comes in a little small container in case you don't want to invest in the big jar if you don't do a lot of decoupaging. But I do, and so a big jar lasts me probably a year, as long as it, you get the top on and it doesn't dry up. It's really just white glue, basically. Alright, I think I have enough on here, so we're going to place it down onto the canvas. Carefully make sure it's straight and everything. And I think I see I had a little spot on the edge, maybe, that I didn't get with the black paint. But I later went around the edges again after it all dried just to make sure no white was showing. And got any excess glue that was coming out from the bottom. So now I'm just going to take the Modge Podge and put it on the top. I put a good amount just to make sure, especially around the edges, because that's where it could pop up later on. So let's get this on here. And I hope everybody is doing well and being safe. And staying in if they can. And I hate I can't have a Halloween party this year, because Halloween's on a Saturday and I've been waiting, but this time I can't do it. So alright, so I got all this on here. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how this turned out. I really like it. So keep watching and we'll be back. Okay guys, this is how it turned out. I think it turned out so cute. And take a look at some of the other things that I created on my channel. I'm going to link those below. And this is just how I decorated my little shelf here in my kitchen. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the other ones because you're not done yet. And happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.